posisyon at matiyak ang kanilang panalo. Pero kung hihilingin daw ng taong bayan ay bukas siyang kumandidato.
I would like to unite the opposition to ensure the victory of the opposition. But as I've said, if things doesn't go as we envisioned, well, who am I to refuse the people if they clamor?
Itinanggi ni dating Pangulong Fidel Ramos na ini-endorso niya si MMDA Chairman Bayani Fernando sa pagkapangulo para sa 2010 elections. Nagkamali lang daw ng interpretasyon ng media nang sabihin niyang bayani at engineer ang kailangan ng ating bansa. Araw raw kasi ng mga bayani na magtalumpati siya sa Silliman University. Sinabi naman daw niya ang katagang leave it to the engineers dahil puro problema sa daan ang naging tanong sa kanya sa isang forum.
With due respect to Bayani Fernando, he is a very capable man. I did not make any categorical recommendation for anybody for the year 2010 election because it's still too premature. The way they are behaving, they will all self-destruct.
Natra